Howdy, and welcome to the latest BioSonics Tip of the Week. My name is Brian Moore, and I'm the Senior Hydroacoustic Scientist at BioSonics, here to share useful tips on the use of BioSonics products. This week's tip is how to quickly check your SED track quality using the Bullseye graph in our newly released software, Visual Aquatic, VisAqua for short. For those not in the know, Visual Aquatic is replacing BioSonics' groundbreaking software, Visual Habitat. It contains all the same types of analyses of the original Visual Habitat, including bathymetry, bottom typing, and plant canopy analysis, and then adds the ability to detect single echo detections, or SEDs, and create and edit tracks from data collected with BioSonics DTX and DTX Extreme echosounders. It's available for free on our website at www.biosonics.com/products/software. Here is the file view page in Visual Aquatic, where on the right we can see the list of data files included in the default dataset that comes with the software. I'm going to double-click on the file at the bottom, which will open the data view page and display the echogram of that file. This file has some previously detected SED tracks that appear as green overlays on the acoustic data. To see the individual SED tracks in more detail, we can open the Bullseye graph by clicking on the Bullseye button here. The Bullseye graph shows an overhead view of the transducer beam and displays where the detected echoes are in X and Y phase angles. Each echo looks like a small arrow that points forward into the time domain, and echoes in SED tracks will be connected by a thin line. With the Bullseye graph displayed, next I will choose the SED track editing tool, which looks like a red pen. Now all I need to do is to move the SED red pen and hover over any red overlaid SED or green overlay SED track, and the Bullseye graph will display the echoes, X and Y positions in the beam. This will speed up spot checking the SED track quality in terms of X and Y phase angles. An alternate way of checking the completed SED tracks is to click on the View Track Display button that looks like a green fish. This brings up the track display page in which you can see the complete list of SED tracks. By clicking on each of the completed tracks, you can see the Bullseye graph for those SEDs. If you double-click on a single completed track in the list, the echogram will go to that specific track so you can see it in context. I hope you find this tip useful. If you have any comments or suggestions, please let us know. You can call BioSonics at 206-782-2211 or email us at info@biosonicsinc.com or support@biosonicsinc.com.